3-minute English, the past simple. The past simple can be used to talk about something that happened in the past. This can be a long time ago or more recent. Here's how to make the past simple tense. Subject plus regular verb plus ed. Let's go through some positive, affirmative examples. I plus walk plus ed. I walked to the shop. He plus play plus ed. He played guitar in a band. Remember, there are a lot of irregular verbs in English. Here are 6 common irregular verbs. Be, was, were. Think, thought. Eat, ate. Run, ran. Know, knew. Do, did. I was very tired yesterday. He thought he knew the answer. I ate too much at the wedding. She ran away. I knew it. They did the dishes. Here's how to form a negative sentence in the past simple. Subject plus did not plus infinitive without to. Remember, you can contract did not to didn't. Let's go through some negative examples. I plus did not plus walk. I didn't walk to the shop. I got the bus. He plus did not plus play. He did not play in the band. Can you think of some more examples? Tell us in the comments below. And don't